So I haven't made a video in a minute, but we had some new drops today with this cute black tube top from thetrueprofessional.com with these super cute leopard leggings. So I was like, this is a cute for our happy hour collection and our girls night out. So make sure y'all check that out at thetrueprofessional.com. And of course, we had to incorporate our True Lift in the color Noir for this black top, okay? So as you can see, I've already taken my girls, and this is the tube top method, which is the absolute hardest method. And today I had to do about 7 to 8 strips, okay? But the tube top method, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it today, and we're gonna practice this together, girls. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is, like we talked about in our previous videos, is measure. So I always go from left to right. So you want to make sure you measure from the bottom of your breast to the top of your right breast. And you're going to crisscross it. All right, like that. So you're going to cut that piece that you need. And you are going to push up and come across. All right. You always want to travel with some small scissors, especially if you're taking this tape out of town. Most of my people take it out of town for this cute and sexy outfits when they're on vacation. So you want to take it, you want to start from the bottom, and you want to lift up. Be careful because you want to definitely make it smooth. And you want to come across and such. So I put about 3 strips on both sides, and you want to make sure, so that you can get this top cleavage right here, you want to make sure you're lifting and pulling across. The object is, you see how I lift up on it here and I pull across here? That's how I get the spillage at the top, which I know the girls like. Okay, so you can shop this top and this tape at thetrueprofessional.com. This is True Lift in Noir. Alright. And it's perfect for all your summer tops, girls and guys. You can order this today. I'm wearing a size medium in this top for reference. See you soon.